It to a CNBC TV 18 exclusive now, and we learn from sources that the Enforcement Directorate is probing NSEL for possible FEMA violations. Now, this follows the SEBI order on insider trading, naming 13 individuals in that particular case. And meanwhile, NSEL investors have written to Economic Offences Wing, also asking for the arrest of the 13 individuals implicated by the SEBI order. Uttkarsh Chaturvedi and Yash Jain are joining us with all the exclusive details. Thanks, gentlemen, for joining us. First, Uttkarsh, coming to you, what is the basis on which ED is probing the FEMA violations?
So ED has written to the Security Exchange Board of India asking for the detailed order as well as the documents on which all the 13 employees of FTIL and MCX have been charged. Now, what Enforcement Directorate is looking is a possibility of FEMA violations. Now, remember that Jignesh Shah has been accused by ED in terms of helping all the borrowers to launder money, and that is the angle which ED is also looking here, that in the whole insider trading case has any amount of money has been laundered. So we'll have to really wait and watch of how the proceedings go on from here. These are initial investigations, but clearly ED taking a note of the SEBI's notice on insider trading.
That's right. And in fact, Yash, you've been tracking how pressure has been mounting on the Economic Offences Wing to really arrest the individuals who have been mentioned. And you also have a copy of the NSEL's investors' demands. What do they say?
Well, yes, we are given to understand that the NSEL Investor Action Group has written to the Joint Commissioner of Police of the Economic Offences Wing, asking them to issue arrest warrant against the 13 individuals which were identified by SEBI for insider trading in the FTIL and MCX case. Now, the essential prayer against these 13 individuals, which include relatives of FTIL founder Jignesh Shah, as well as certain key management people of NSEL, FTIL, as well as MCX, is that these people use certain unpublished price-sensitive information to avert losses, which has been established by the market regulator SEBI, and now the Economic Offences Wing needs to step in to take the appropriate action. One very important point to note here, again quoting my sources in the NSEL Investor Action Group, is that one out of the 13 individuals by the name of Hariharan Vaidyanathan hasn't returned to the country in the last 2 to 3 months. The NSEL Investor Action Group has also asked EOW to issue a red corner notice against him so that he can be brought back to the country and made to face the law here. All said and done, one needs to understand that this is just one part of the story coming from the NSEL investors. We'll also have to wait to see how EOW takes cognizance of these charges and takes the appropriate action.
All right. Thanks so much, Yash, as well as Uttkarsh, for getting us a holistic view on the several fronts in which the NSEL investigations are going on right now.